Have you ever wondered which digital banking solution truly reigns supreme for your financial needs, Monzo or Curve? In a world saturated with innovative fintech, picking the right platform can feel like navigating a maze. Both Monzo and Curve promise to revolutionize how you manage your money, offering compelling features designed to simplify your financial life. But are they truly interchangeable? Do they cater to the same needs, or do they excel in different areas? Today, we're diving deep into an epic showdown, Monzo versus Curve. We're going to break down everything from their core functionalities and pricing structures to their unique benefits and potential drawbacks in 2025. By the end of this, you'll have a crystal clear understanding of which platform is the best fit for you. Let's start by establishing some context. Monzo, a fully licensed bank in the UK, has built its reputation on offering a user-friendly current account with smart budgeting tools, instant notifications, and a vibrant hot coral debit card. It's designed to be your primary bank, replacing traditional high street banks with a mobile-first approach. Curve, on the other hand, isn't a bank in the traditional sense. It's a financial aggregator, a smart card and app that lets you link all your existing debit and credit cards into one. Think of it as a universal remote for your wallet, aiming to simplify your spending, enhance rewards, and offer unique features like go back in time. So, you can already see a fundamental difference. Monzo wants to be your main bank, managing your income, outgoings, and savings from a central hub. Curve, conversely, wants to optimize and enhance the cards you already have. This core distinction informs almost every aspect of their offerings, and it's crucial to keep it in mind as we delve into the specifics. The core offering, Monzo's banking prowess. Monzo's strength lies in its comprehensive banking services. As a fully regulated bank, it offers FSCS protection up to £85,000, giving you peace of mind that your deposits are secure. Their personal current account is free and comes with a wealth of features designed to help you stay on top of your spending. One of Monzo's most lauded features is its pot system. These are essentially sub-accounts within your main account, allowing you to easily compartmentalize your money for different savings goals or bills. Whether you're saving for a holiday, a new gadget, or simply putting aside money for rent, pots make budgeting intuitive and visually engaging. You can even earn interest on your instant access savings pots, a welcome bonus for your tucked-away funds. Instant notifications are another game changer. Every time you spend, receive money, or pay a bill, you get an immediate ping on your phone. This real-time visibility is invaluable for tracking your finances and spotting any unauthorized transactions instantly. Categorization of spending is also automatic, breaking down your outgoings into clear categories like groceries, transport, or eating out, giving you a detailed overview of where your money goes. This data-driven approach empowers you to identify spending habits and make informed financial decisions. For those looking for more advanced features, Monzo offers paid plans like Monzo Plus and Monzo Premium. These subscriptions unlock benefits such as higher interest rates on savings, phone and travel insurance, discounted airport lounge access, and even a metal card. Monzo Flex is also a notable offering, a credit card that allows you to split purchases into interest-free installments, providing flexibility for larger buys. When it comes to international spending, Monzo is highly competitive. They use the MasterCard exchange rate with no added markups, making it a popular choice for travelers. You get fee-free ATM withdrawals in the European Economic Area, EEA, and a generous allowance outside the EEA before a 3% fee kicks in. This transparency and cost-effectiveness for overseas transactions are a significant draw. However, Monzo isn't without its limitations. While great for GBP-based accounts, it's not a true multi-currency account like some competitors. If you frequently deal with multiple currencies and need local account details in various countries, you might find Monzo's capabilities somewhat limited, though they do integrate with Wise for international transfers. Additionally, for those who prefer face-to-face banking, Monzo's entirely digital model might be a drawback as they have no physical branches. Cash deposits are also handled via post office or PayPoint, which can incur small fees and have limits. The aggregator advantage, Curve's unique proposition. Now, let's pivot to Curve. Its unique selling proposition is its ability to consolidate all your existing debit and credit cards into one smart card and app. Imagine carrying just one card in your wallet, yet having access to all your underlying cards. This is the magic of Curve. The core benefit here is convenience. No more fumbling through multiple cards at the checkout. Simply select the card you want to use in the Curve app, and your Curve card will act as a conduit, charging the chosen underlying card. This also means you can continue to earn rewards points on your linked credit cards while benefiting from Curve's additional features. One of Curve's standout features is Go Back in Time. Ever paid for something with the wrong card or realized you should have used a different one for better rewards? Curve allows you to switch a payment to a different linked card up to 120 days after the transaction. This is a truly revolutionary feature that offers unparalleled flexibility and can save you from missed rewards or accidental overspending on a particular card. For international travel, Curve truly shines. It eliminates foreign transaction fees on any card you use abroad, even if your underlying bank charges them. This is a massive cost saver, especially for frequent international travelers. Curve uses interbank exchange rates, aiming to give you a competitive rate. They also offer fee-free ATM withdrawals abroad, subject to plan limits, which can bypass the fees your individual banks might charge. Curve also offers a range of paid plans, Curve X, Curve Black, Curve Metal, that enhance its core offering. These can include higher cashback percentages from selected retailers, higher fee-free foreign transaction limits, travel insurance, phone insurance, and even airport lounge access. Curve Flex is another feature that allows you to convert past purchases into installment plans, similar to Monzo Flex but applicable to any transaction made through Curve. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.